Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. All the information regarding me and my blog will be mentioned in the description box. Also a link to my social media handles and my last two videos. If you haven't watched them, please go ahead and click the link in the description box. So thank you so much for watching my last two videos, and that really made me happy. Your comments, your suggestions, and all the likes I received on the videos. Thanks a lot. Today's video is going to be my favorite products, and it will be a compilation of January and February because I started my YouTube channel in February. So without wasting further time, I'll go ahead and show you the products which were my favorites. So I'll start off with skincare. The first product I have is the Plum E-Luminance Cream. I have already reviewed this on my blog. It comes in a glass jar like that, and the smell is out of this world. I really love the smell of Plum products. So this cream is essentially meant for dry skin. Now generally I have oily skin, and sometimes it gets combination, like my nose, my T-zone would get oily and my cheeks are pretty dry. So in the months of winter, even somebody who has oily skin, it turns a bit dry. So at that time this cream is really good. And essentially this cream is meant for dry skin. If you have dry skin and if you haven't tried it, please go ahead and purchase it, and I tell you, you will really love this cream and you will fall in love with it. Okay, so that's that. Second product is the Patanjali aloe vera gel. Okay, so Patanjali is a brand which is quite controversial, but I think I was one of the first bloggers to review their products because I found a shop near my house and the price of the products really intrigued me. Like, I really wanted to try them. So this was one of the first products I had tried way back in 2014, and I've also reviewed this on my blog. And one thing is there that this is not 100% natural. They have added color because the aloe vera gel in reality is not green. It's mentioned here that it has fragrance and preservative. So if you are not very picky, it's fine. You can use this. Like, throughout India, people have been going gaga over this, and the main reason is the price, because इतने कम दामों में आपको इतना सस्ता कहाँ मिलेगा. So yeah, I like this gel, and in December I had bleached my face and I really got burned. So this one really helped me in getting rid of those dry patches and my skin started peeling off. So a big thank you to Patanjali aloe vera gel. I want to try some another brand, but for now I really like this one. The third product I have is the Organic Harvest Active Juvenescence Anti-Aging Serum with Bifida, Ferment, Lysate and Whey Protein. It's from the Honeysuckle range. If you follow me on my blog, you would know I have reviewed this. So it is essentially a serum and it's meant for skin, a mature skin. I don't know the exact age when you should start using anti-aging products, but considering the pollution, the stress, the anxiety and all other problems people have, I think after 25 you should start using serums. Serums are very difficult to find in India, and the ones which are there, which are expensive. This one is expensive as well. It's rupees 13.95 and it has only 30 ml. So it comes with a dropper like that. So you just need to use 3 drops. So after I have bath, I wash my face, cleanse it nicely. I use 3 drops of this, and I use my moisturizer over it and foundation, BB cream or whatever I'm going to use during the day. It has a faint jasmine smell, which does not last long on the face, and overall it's a very nice serum. It's lightweight and it will suit every skin type. You cannot expect miracles like from a serum. It says that it will reduce wrinkles and all. It does happen, but you cannot I cannot say that after using one bottle you will have to use couple of bottles and then only you could give your suggestion. Overall, I think I really like this one. I've been using it non-stop, and please check the description for a complete review of this one. The fourth product I have is Lash Natural Mint and Cucumber Face Freshener and Toner, Cleansing and Soothing. Now the price of this one is 195 rupees, and how much ml do you get? If I can find that, it's 100 ml. So it comes in a spray bottle like that. It's green in color. Obviously it says mint and cucumber. Let me tell you, this is one of the best freshener what is it, face freshener and toner I've ever tried. Like when you spray it on the face, you can actually feel the coolness of the cucumber and the mint, which they have rightly said. And you can use this as a setting spray, or you can use it when you're applying foundation. If it gets too dry, it will make it a bit tacky and it will last longer on the face. It smells absolutely amazing. This product is a total winner for me. And if you haven't tried it, whether you're a girl or a boy, I think you should go ahead and try this. Like in summer months, you know, we sweat a lot and the skin becomes really you sweat a lot and skin gets dirty when you go out, so you can just spray this on your face and wipe it off with a tissue or a cotton ball and you would be good to go. So that, my friends, was the skincare. Now come my favorite, the makeup. So I have a couple of products actually. Let me start off with this makeup brush. Now look at this brush. This is so bloody cute, isn't it? So if you go on Amazon, you will easily find this brush. It will come around 200 to 250 rupees. You will even find it on eBay. This one I had got from banggood.com, which is again a Chinese website. It's super dense, super soft, and I would say this is like a beauty blender on a stick. So when you apply your foundation, it does such a great job of blending the foundation. It really looks seamless on your face. So I really like it. The only challenge is washing it. Like when you wash it, like you really have to pinch and remove all the product from the bristles, and it takes 2 days to dry, which is a bummer. But this brush is really good. It's great for traveling. You can apply your foundation, BB cream, blush, everything. This is all-in-one brush. If you haven't tried it, go check it out. I'll leave a link from where you can buy it as well. So yeah, this is my first favorite. Now second favorite is the Physicians Formula Baked Collection Wet Dry Eyeshadow in Baked Spices, and this is how it looks like. Now this eyeshadow is no longer available with Physicians Formula. I had won this in one of the giveaways. So it comes with 3 beautiful colors. This is the lightest one, and this is like a medium copper kind of color, and this is a dark chocolate brown. Now all throughout December and January, whichever weddings I attended, whether it was Christmas, whether it was New Year, this was the quad I would reach out to. And this shade in between is like the perfect highlighter. The camera will not catch it, but I tell you, it's so pretty. It's really beautiful. Like if you can see the glare on my nose. This is not available, as I said, but it's so pretty. I really want to buy more of this, but unfortunately this would not be available in India. If I can get hold of a quad like this or trio, I'll definitely go ahead and check it out. The next product is a blush. Now I received this blush in the IT kit, which was launched, I do not know how long ago, maybe 2 years ago, and I had been to the Faces IT kit launch, which is like it was like a pouch of products which you would get to, and you had to create a particular look with it. I had got Azure Mermaid. I will leave a link in the description for you to check that post. In that pouch I received this blush, and it's called Cocktail Peach. It's Faces Glam On Blush in Cocktail Peach 04, and oh my god, it's so pretty. Like I'm wearing it today. I do not know if you can make out on the camera. This is going to be my favorite blush for summer. Let me show you a quick swatch if it's visible. Like, can you see that? It's like this orangey color, orange peachy color, and it will look good on every skin tone. There is no shimmer. It's satiny soft. What more would you want from a blush? So this is going to be my favorite blush for summers, and if you haven't checked this range out, you must check it out. I'll also leave a link in the description where I've done an in-depth review of this. So that is that, and the next product is a lipstick, and this is the lipstick I'm wearing right now. Isn't this a bloody pretty, gorgeous brownie pink color? So this lipstick is from Blue Heaven. The packaging comes like that. Like That's like that. The shade number is CB028. The camera won't pick it. It's called Ice Cocoa. And let me do a quick swatch. There you go. It's like this beautiful pinky brown color, and it looks so gorgeous. You can wear it in the daytime, you can wear it at night. It has a floral scent to it, and it has a little bit of sheen. It has like a metallic finish. Whatever it is, I am in love with this lipstick. Like, I've used it a lot, as you can tell, and I think you should go ahead and buy this one. I think this one is priced at rupees 125, and for 125 I think it's pretty amazing. What I have is the One Volume Blast mascara, and it comes in this pink tube, and the wand is really interesting. Sadly my camera is not focusing, but it has this very fine kind of bristles, and I've used this today, and it's super amazing. It separates all your lashes and also gives it volume. Now, I definitely do not use any mascara without curling my lashes, because without curling it does not make a hell lot of difference. So this mascara, I've been using it from more than a year now, and I really like it. It's very inexpensive as well. So I have also done a review of this. Please check the description box for more information about a complete product review of this one. The last favorite I have are these earrings. Can you see that? It's like a pinky stone at the bottom, and it's very simple and plain patterned out here. So this earring was gifted to me by one of my trainers and team leaders at work, which was many years ago, but I really take good care of my earrings. And I have a lot of earrings. I have a huge earring collection which I was not using, but now I made a promise to myself that I'll be using more of these. So yes, my friend, this was my favorites for the month of January and February. Hope you liked it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, share it among your friends who find it helpful, and any comment, suggestion, please leave it in the comment section. And let me know what are your favorites. It could be anything, but if it's related to beauty, it would be more better. So thank you so much for watching this video and taking time to hear my rambling. So until next time, bye bye.